In this video you will learn State Farm Drive Safe and Save setup instructions. Download the Drive Safe and Save app. Go to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store and install the Drive Safe and Save app on your smartphone. Log in with your State Farm account. Open the app, sign in using your State Farm credentials such as your password and username. Grant necessary permissions. Allow access to your phone's location, motion sensors, Bluetooth to track your driving behaviour accuracy. Pair the app with your car. If you're using Bluetooth Beacon, make sure you install it in your vehicle and follow the app's instructions to pair it. Take a test drive to confirm setup. Drive your car for a few minutes to ensure the app is recording your trip properly. Review your driving summary. Use the app to check your trip data, driving habits and potential discount updates. Now you know the Drive Safe and Save setup instructions for State Farm. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.